Chapter 27 The reason due to which Moses coveted the death, and the reason due to which his grave is not recognized, unknown. Abu Abdullah has said, the angel of death came to Musa bin Imran. So he greeted him and said, Who are you? He said, I am the angel of death. So he said, What is your need? So he said to him, I have come to capture your soul. So Musa said to him, From where will you be capturing my soul? He said, From your mouth. So Musa said to him, How can you, and I have spoken by it to my Lord mighty and majestic? So he said, From your hands. So Musa said to him, How can you, and I have carried the Torah by these two? So he said, From your feet. So he said, And how can you, and I have stepped by these upon the Mount Tor of Sinai? The Imam said, and he repeated, For the things other than these. The Imam said, So the angel of death said to him, I have thus been commanded that I should leave you until such time as you yourself become the one who wants that death. So Musa remained for as long as Allah so desired. Then, one day, he passed by a man and he was digging a grave. So Musa said to him, Shall I assist you on digging the pit of this grave? So the man said to him, Yes. The Imam said, So he assisted until the pit of the grave, and the grave was dug out. So the man intended that he should lie down in the grave to see how it is. So Musa said to him, I shall lie down in it. So Musa lied down, and he saw his place in the paradise, or Hughes said, his house in the paradise. So he said, O Lord, capture me to you. So the angel of death captured his soul, and he was buried in that very grave, and the dust was leveled upon him. Hughes said, and the one who dug out the grave was the angel of death in the image of a human, therefore it is due to that, no one knows of the whereabouts, of the grave of Musa.